he goes. There he goes. It was a little heavy on that one side. So there it is, gone. And I'm a little under. Well, now there's clouds that you can't really see, but we don't have a lot more. Still have a whole. What, buddy? What? I know your tree's gone, you poor thing. You didn't like that tree anyways. But yeah, we still got all the shade from these trees. So, but in the morning, all the peppers and all this stuff over here, and the bamboo, all this bamboo is gonna get a lot more sun and start growing. My tree guy said, "Oh, this little oak tree right here, that'll start growing." I said, "Nope, not past tomorrow morning. It's not gonna." I'm cutting that one down, and I'm cutting this one down over there. So, yes, deleting the forest. Whoa, hashtag delete the forest. Hashtag see the forest, hashtag delete the forest. Very contrary, opposing thoughts there. But I'm going to delete the oak, compost it, grow mushrooms, hopefully grow mushrooms, and then all that oak, instead of being landfill and or methane from decomposition, well, decomposition with mushrooms is still decomposition. I wonder how much methane mushrooms produce. Well, either way, I think it's going to be better than burning, because that was my original thought. Barbecue, fire ring. There's my fire ring right down here. Old wheel. Need a tractor wheel or something to be better. And biochar. Biochar is a good alternative, but if you don't have a good system for making the biochar, you lose a lot. You can get as little as 10%, or as much as, I would say right around 50%, but you got to have, like I said, the system's got to be pretty efficient. You have to have an efficient way of burning, gasifying, and leaving the charcoal without burning up. So, but whatever I can't burn or don't, have in excess of, I can now age them a little bit and soak them, and then make mushrooms out of them. It's going to be awesome. Cut.